This is where France's third high-security prison is to be located. It will be in the overseas territory of French Guiana, in an area of Amazon rainforest on the outskirts of Saint-Laurent-du-Maroni, an area close to the border of Suriname in South America. France's Justice Minister Gérald Darmanin visited the site where the prison is to be built on Saturday. It will have capacity for 500 prisoners and include an ultra-secure section for 60 dangerous inmates, as well as a wing dedicated to Islamists and detainees considered a danger to state security. A prison guard union leader says its isolated location will be an advantage.
Putting it in an area where there is no activity, where there is no housing, nothing at all, allows the jamming of mobile phones and drones.
2 other high-security prisons are located in mainland France. This one is due to be completed by 2029 at a cost of 400 million euros. Some local elected representatives and residents are critical of the project.
People who are dangerous for France are being sent to us here in French Guiana. It's a bit like we're France's rubbish bin.
The Justice Minister says the priority for the new prison will be to house local offenders.
There's no need to bring people here from mainland France. Unfortunately, there's an enormous number of murderers and traffickers here already.
French Guiana is one of the main routes for drug traffickers. At least 20% of the cocaine used in the French mainland comes from the region.
Nick Rushworth.